Good morning. In the last lesson, you have learned how to add, delete column. In this lecture, we will learn together summary statistics. As follows from their name, summary statistics are numbers that summarize and tell you about your dataset. Calculating summary statistics allows you to get a better sense of your data. They summarize many numbers, numeric column in one statistic. In this lecture, we will practice using California housing prices dataset. This is the most common dataset in machine learning and data analysis. This dataset is based on data from a 1990 California census. It is not exactly recent. The California census data was used to build a model for housing prices in the state. This data includes metrics such as population, median income, and the median housing price for each block group in California. Block group are the smallest geographical unit for which the US Census Bureau publishes sample data. A block group typically has a population of 600 to 3,000 people. We will call them district for short. In machine learning, your model should learn from this data and be able to predict the median housing price in any district given all the other metrics. But here in data analysis, we are interested in visualizing and analyzing data. As you see here in this map, this is the map for California, and this is the longitude and latitude, and this is the median housing value, and this is the population. Okay. Regarding longitude, a measure of how far west a house is. A higher value in this direction means farther west. For latitude, a measure of how far north a house is. A higher value is farther north. And for the other metrics like housing median age, this one, okay. Median age of a house within a block. A lower number is a newer building. For total rooms, total number of rooms within a block. For total bedrooms, total number of bedrooms within block population. Total number of people residing within a block. And for the metric of households, this one, total number of households or a group of people residing within a home unit for a block. For the median income, it is the median income for households within a block of houses, measured in tens of thousands of US dollars. For the metric median house value, this one, median house value, and this is the aim of machine learning model to predict this one. Median house value, this is the median house value for households within a block measured in US dollar. And for the metric ocean proximity, it determines the location of the house with respect to ocean or sea. Okay, this is the metrics or variables or features and attributes. This is the instances or observation 0, observation 1, observation 2, and etc. If you are interested in numerical data summary, one of the most common summary statistics for numeric data is the mean, center of your data. To get the center of your data, to get the mean, you just type this sentence Okay, you just first want to subset the column you are interested. Okay, this one. If you are interested in housing median age and you want to get the center of data or the mean of housing median age, just call the method mean. Okay, select the column you are interested in, this column, and then call the method mean. There are other methods like minimum, maximum, median, standard deviation, and variance. To get summary statistics for multiple column, you need first to subset the column you are interested in, okay, using double brackets, this one for subsetting and this one for list containing the name of columns. Then ask for the summary statistics you want, like mean, median, standard deviation, and variance. Okay? If you want to get more summary statistics, not just one, you call the aggregate method. The aggregate method allow you to apply your own custom function to a data frame. While pandas and NumPy have tons of functions, sometimes you may need a different function to summarize your data. Okay? Here you call the aggregate method and pass to aggregate method the name of summary statistics you want, mean, okay, and max. Okay? This will return the mean value of column population and the maximum point in population column. Okay? Also, aggregate allow you to apply your own custom function. If you have or if you prepare customize function for you, okay, when you need to call this function, you must pass this function to aggregate method. Okay? Here you build the customized function and call it percentile 30. Okay? It returns a quantile. Okay? And you should pass here the argument of quantile. And if you need to implement this function on any column, just select the column and pass this function to the aggregate method. Okay? Here you are interested in calculating the minimum value and the customized function percentile 30 and apply this function, okay, on two columns, household and median income. Cumulative statistics can also be helpful in tracking summary statistics over time. Okay? If you want to get the cumulative sum or cumulative minimum, cumulative maximum, okay, you just select the column and then call the method of cumulative sum or cumulative minimum or cumulative maximum. We reach the end of the lecture, and this is the references we are depend on while preparing this lecture. If you feel, if you like the content, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and bye-bye.